Hi, this is Aaron Abear. This is service learning assignment number 8, and in this demonstration, I'll be showing how to go into the C drive and go into a folder, and showing how to share a folder and how to add a user to a shared folder, and permissions and how to grant them and deny them, and what inheritance means. Okay, so we start off. We go to this. We go to, you click on File Explorer, you click on Windows C. This is where all your main folders will be. You want to right click on Share, the share folder that I created. You want to go to Properties, you want to go to Sharing, you want to go to Share, and choose people you want to share with. So I'm going to choose, actually, we're going to share it with Han Solo. Right now, Han Solo only has read. We're going to give him read and write. Because the thing is, if he only has read access, he can only read files that's on this folder. He would only be able to read it, he wouldn't be able to manipulate it. And if he didn't have permission at all to read, write, or anything, he wouldn't even be able to get on it. He would click it and it would say you would be denied access. So for instance, if there was, like I said, he would only be able to read. Say it was a Word document, he can only read it, he could only look at it, he couldn't do anything to it, he couldn't save it, he couldn't make any changes or anything like that. So I'm going to give him read write, press share. Done. And next thing I'm going to do is go inside of it, make another folder called public. Now as you can see, the shared folder is the parent folder. The public folder is the child folder. What it is you then go to properties. You would right click on public, go to properties, go to sharing again. Well, this time you go to security, I'm sorry. And as you can see, Han Solo, he has full control. What it is you would go to inheritance, and as you can see, system Han Solo, administrators of the group administrators, they all have full control. So you can disable inheritance. This is you have to block inheritance to this object, which means that permissions inherited from a parent object will no longer be applied to this object. Converting inherited permissions into explicit permissions on this object removes all inherited permissions on this object. And what that's saying is, for instance, if I had full control, say I had permissions, explicit permissions on there, inherited permissions from any parent folder that's at full control. Anything that anybody that's in this folder, in the public folder, would inherit it from the parent folder. So, for instance, if I didn't have full control and say I had just read and write permissions, that would go over to this folder. And that's what it means by remove all inherited from this object, which I'm not going to do. And that's what that means. So, for instance, say if I took this folder, I took the public folder and I put it on the D drive, well, it automatically would overwrite whatever was on the D drive from that root, and it would give those permissions to that. It would no longer have whatever settings I had in here, whatever permissions I had from this. It would automatically just override. It wouldn't keep the same permissions. Can be a little confusing, and also denied permissions override permitted permissions. And that's it for service learning assignment number 8. Thank you.